Kia ora noa koutou. Nau mai hoki mai ki tuku a te reo. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the Rerekaimahi, or agent emphatic sentences. Before we start, just a brief explanation of the term agent emphatic. The agent in a sentence is the kaimahi, or the one doing the action, which is why these sentences are called Rerekaimahi. The word emphatic just means that something is emphasized or given more importance. So in these Rerenga Kōrero, the kaimahi is the focus or the emphasis of the sentence. I'll start with a very brief recap about the first 4 sentence models that we've covered so far. The 3 Momo Reremahi and the Rerehāngū. One of the things I mentioned before about the differences between the Reremahi and the Rerehāngū was how the key focus of the sentences shifted from the tūmahi to the taunga. In Rerekaimahi, the focus will shift again, this time to the kaimahi, the one doing the action. In English grammar, this is called the agent. Here's the example I talked about before. In the Reremahi, the stress is on the action, which is the whiu, to throw. The boy threw the ball. In the Rerehāngū, the stress shifts to the taunga, which is the ball. The boy threw the ball. So let's have a look at how the Rerekaimahi sentence structure works. There are 2 tense frameworks for this one, the past and the future. We use it when we want to be specific about who did something in the past or who will do something in the future. This time I'm going to start with the question. Staying with the example sentence of throwing the ball, if we want to ask who threw it, we say, Nā wai te pōro I whiu. Who threw the ball? The answer, as with so many other question and answer sequences in te reo Māori, starts the same way as the question, which is the word nā. Now we're going to use the agent, which is te tama. Next is te pōro, and then at the end of the sentence, I whiu. Nā te tama, te pōro, I whiu. The boy threw the ball. So this sentence is talking about something that's happened in the past tense. If we want to say, ask, who will do something in the future, it's the same structure, but with māwai. In the question, māwai goes with e. So here's the question. Māwai te pōro e whiu. Who will throw the ball? The answer sentence starts with mā, then the agent, te tama, te pōro, and then e whiu. Mā te tama, te pōro, e whiu. The boy will throw the ball. One of the most important rules to remember about the Rerekaimahi is that nā goes with e and mā goes with e. Nā wai I, mā wai e. You might want to write these down or take a screenshot, or you're welcome to download this page on the website. Here are a couple of examples. I've included the sentence structures here for nā wai and mā wai, and then te pātai me te whakautu, the question and the answer for each one. Nā wai te kēmu I toa, nā te kapa ōpango, te kēmu I toa. And mā wai ngā rihi e horoi, who will wash the dishes, mā ngā tāne ngā rihi e horoi. I wanted to look at the sentence structures together just to show you how the emphasis of the sentence shifts between the 3. So we have the Reremahi at the top, where the emphasis is on the mahi, the Rerehāngū, I whiua, te pōro e te tama, where the emphasis is on the taunga, and now we have the Rerekaimahi, where the emphasis is shifted to the kaimahi or the agent. When we look at the translation into English, you see here, highlighted in orange, where the emphasis lies. An interesting side note, that the word is emphasised in each rerenga is nearer to the start of the sentence in te reo Māori. So there you have the Rerekaimahi. I hope this video has been helpful. In the next video, I'll be talking about how you can use Rerekaimahi with M and N class personal pronouns. So please have a look at that one too. Don't forget to subscribe to Te Kua Te Reo if you haven't already. I really appreciate your support. Ka nui te mihi ki a koutou. Kia ora.